In this video we're going to be taking a look at the Aoshima Nissan Silvia S13 1991. Welcome back to Glue Sniff Garage. Got a unboxing video today. It's the Aoshima Nissan Silvia S13. Just got this kit today. Just take a wee look at the box here. Standard font. A little bit of information about the car. There are specifications there. It says here it's a 2-in-1 kit. There's some options in the box to make it like the 1988 version or the 1991 version. And we've got your Mr. Hobby colours there. This is a relatively new tool for an Aoshima kit. The tool is from 2006, I believe. So it should be fairly nice. A lot of the Aoshima stuff's a little bit older, sort of 90s, 80s, 90s. So we'll get the box opened up and take a wee look inside. So we've got the box opened up here, and seems to be quite a few bits in here. There's quite a lot of parts. Clear parts, decals and window maskings, more clear parts, and body and your chassis. Some wheels and tyres. I'll just get these bags opened up and then we'll have a look at what's inside. Okay, so first up we've got the instructions here. Quite a lot of instructions. Parts there, and quite a thick instruction manual. So first sprue we've got, start off with the indicators. It's always nice to get them moulded in orange and red, just makes it look a lot better, I think. It's your rear lights there. Next up we have some bumpers and Aero parts. So this is an option for your front bumper. And you've got the standard front bumper, rear bumper, and a couple of options for spoilers. I think the different spoilers depends on what year the car is. So I think this one would be the 88 and the other one would be the 91 version. Could be wrong, but next we have chrome parts, a couple of variations for your headlights, exhaust, and mirrors. Same again with your seats. You've got the option of your early version and your late version there. Next we have some chassis parts. Got your front and rear subframes, some window wipers, pegs for the wheels, your axles, hubs there. Don't think these parts are used. I think this is a generic sprue that covers all Silvias, so I think these are from an S13. And your steering rack there to it. Next up we have the interior parts. Nicely moulded centre console there. Door cards with speakers moulded in, and your door handles. Really nicely detailed dash there. Your pedals. A couple of steering wheel options. More wipers, mirrors, gear lever. Actually, the gear lever is broken. Yep, I'll have to fix that. And your steering column. Always nice to get the separate door cards when you're doing an interior, makes it so much easier to paint. Next up we've got some window glass. Looks like some fog lights there. And here we have the brakes. I think this is another generic sprue. You've got the brakes there and what looks to be an S15 set of headlights, which I'm guessing would be moulded in chrome on some kits. Usually you've got your mirrors there as well. We've got the bonnet there, and your two wing mirrors. And here we have another exhaust option. This would be the standard exhaust. And some more clear parts with all your different options for early model or late model. Then we have the Sr20dt engine. It's not a completely full engine, it's similar to the Skyline, the Aoshima Skyline. It's a kind of half engine, so you're only getting the top half. Still looks really good when it's all done up, but it's not a full engine. Get your engine block there, intakes, brake booster, fuel rail, front of the engine there, various hoses, valve cover, Nissan twin cam 16 valve moulded in, looks very nice. Radiator, exhaust manifold, got your washer bottle, battery moulded in, your strut tops at the just there, very nicely done. Some more belts and stuff at the bottom, and looks to be a cone style air filter. Now we have some mesh and your standard Silvia wheels. This kit only comes with the standard wheels. I don't think there's going to be that many people that build this kit that will use these. They are really nice, but I tend to find most people that are building these Silvias are turning them into drift cars, track cars. It's a really good kit to modify. I've got the tyres here. Quite a thick sidewall. Don't know if it will catch on the camera, but it says Pirelli. Yep. Pirelli P7. These would be the standard tyre size, so quite thick. A little bit of flash in the inside there, but very nice. Now we have the decals there, so a couple of options for your dials at the top there. And these various options for your Q's, K's and J's, depending on how you want to build it. Couple of number plates, Silvia number plates, and your sort of Japanese tax discs here as well. And we have window maskings. Always like getting these, makes it so much easier to paint those windows. Always turns out better when you've got the actual masking stickers. When you try to do it yourself, it never turns out as great as it does when you get these. And we've got a sheet of mirrored chrome. Now we have the chassis here. So like I say, it's not a full engine, so you've got the bottom of the engine and gearbox moulded in there. And your exhaust, very shallow moulding on the start of the exhaust there. And gearbox looks quite chunky. I've never seen a gearbox on a Silvia, so I wouldn't know if that's correct or not, but it looks a bit on the square side. You've got your exhaust, it looks like a turbo moulded in there, catalytic converter, it's a rear box, and your fuel tank. Not a bad chassis, might be quite tricky to paint. That back box is moulded in very close to the subframe stuff that's around it, so maybe a bit hard to get in there, but yeah. And last but not least, we have the body here. I had a quick look at this before I started recording. This is one of the best mouldings I've seen in a chassis. There is little to absolutely no flash or mould lines anywhere on it. There's a tiny bit here where you can see the two parts of plastic have came together, but once that's painted, if you paint that properly, you shouldn't be able to see that. But there's struggling to find any mould lines or anything. There's just nothing in the usual places. Very, very nice body. Now this comes with no bumpers on it because this kit comes in different variations. You have the Rasty S13 and the Vertex S13, a couple of Initial D S13, so I guess they've made this body so that you can put your own body kit on it really easily. It comes with different bumpers and lights and stuff, so yeah, very impressed with this body. It's definitely one of the best ones I've seen. So that was the Aoshima Silvia PS13. Really nice kit. It actually comes with your springs for the suspension too, which I forgot to add in. Seems very detailed. Looks like a really nice kit. I also built the Aoshima GT86. It seems very similar to that. Quite a lot of parts, quite detailed. I think it's because it's from a newer tooling. You can definitely see the difference from a newer tooling to their older toolings from like the 80s and 90s. Hardly any flashing or anything, hardly any mould lines. Very impressed with the kit. So looking forward to get this started. Should be a really nice one once it's all built up. So thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you get a better idea of what's in the Aoshima Nissan Silvia PS13 kit. If you liked the video, always appreciate a like and a subscribe. If you've built this kit, leave a wee comment, let me know how you got on with it. Any links to your Instagrams or any pictures of it, give me a bit of inspiration for how I'm going to build it myself. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in a future video. Got some unboxings upcoming, so look out for them in the next week or two, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much. Bye.